wemwega. Welcome back or welcome to Kikuyu Lessons with Wanjiru. Like I promised, I will teach you all the past tenses. So in this lesson, we are going to learn the long time ago past tenses or past tense. All the other past tenses are here, so make sure you go back and watch those videos. We said that there are 4 categories of past tenses in Kikuyu. We have the past tense for a few moments ago, for earlier today, for yesterday, and for a long time ago. So today is for what happened a long time ago. Don't forget to subscribe and share this video. I will use the same verbs that I used in the previous video, the past tense for yesterday, so that you can also tell the difference between yesterday's past tenses and a long time ago past tenses. Our first verb is arrive. Arrive, like I said, is kinya. These tenses are about the day before yesterday and all the other days before then. For example, today is Saturday. I'm making this video on a Saturday. And if I wanted to talk about last Sunday, now that is a long time ago. So if I wanted to say I arrived at 10 a.m. on Sunday, it will be nda plus the verb plus ire. So it's going to be ndakinyire thaa inya cia rucini muthenya wa kiumia. Ndakinyire thaa inya cia rucini muthenya wa kiumia. If it's us, I will say twa plus our verb plus ire. Twakinyire thaa inya cia rucini muthenya wa kiumia. Twakinyire thaa inya cia rucini muthenya wa kiumia. If it's you, it's going to be so wa plus the verb plus ire. Wakinyire thaa inya cia rucini muthenya wa kiumia. Wakinyire thaa inya cia rucini muthenya wa kiumia. If it's you plural, it's going to be mwa plus the verb plus ire. Mwakinyire thaa inya cia rucini muthenya wa kiumia. If it's he or she, akinyire thaa inya cia rucini muthenya wa kiumia. Akinyire thaa inya cia rucini muthenya wa kiumia. If it's them, makinyire thaa inya cia rucini muthenya wa kiumia. Makinyire thaa inya cia rucini muthenya wa kiumia. Now, our second verb is see, which is honor. To say I saw a beautiful bird, I can say ndaonire nyoni thaka. Ndaonire nyoni thaka or nindonire nyoni thaka. Every time you are talking to someone and they understand Kikuyu, if you say ndaonire or ndonire nyoni thaka, they will understand that it's a long time ago. So they will ask re, when, and then you can say when. If it's you, wonire nyoni thaka. We ni wonire nyoni thaka. Murugi ni onire nyoni thaka. Murugi ni onire nyoni thaka. Our third verb is make, which is thodeka. I made a big chair. I can say ndathodekire giti kinene. Ndathodekire giti kinene. You wathodekire giti kinene. Wathodekire giti kinene or ni wathodekire giti kinene. Mwangi ni athodekire giti kinene. Mwangi ni athodekire giti kinene. Our fourth verb was work. Ruta wera. If I want to say I worked from home on Monday, I'll say ndaruteire wera muciĩ muthenya wa mwambĩrĩrio, or you can say Monday. Ndaruteire wera muciĩ muthenya wa mwambĩrĩrio. We waruteire wera muciĩ muthenya wa kerĩ. Now I said Tuesday. Waruteire wera muciĩ muthenya wa kerĩ. She worked from home on Wednesday. Aruteire wera muciĩ muthenya wa gatatũ. Aruteire wera muciĩ muthenya wa gatatũ. Our next verb is tinia, to cut. Our sentence is I cut all the meat. Nĩndatinirie nyama yothe. Nĩndatinirie nyama yothe. We nĩwatinirie nyama yothe. We nĩwatinirie nyama yothe. Wanjiku nĩatinirie nyama yothe. Wanjiku nĩatinirie nyama yothe. To cook, like we said, is koruga. Cook alone is ruga. I cooked all the meat. I'll say nĩndarugire nyama yothe. Nĩndarugire nyama yothe. We nĩwarugire nyama yothe. We nĩwarugire nyama yothe. We nĩarugire nyama yothe. We nĩarugire nyama yothe. The other verb is turn on, which we said is akia. Our sentence, I turned on the sitting room lights. I'll say nĩndakirie matawa ma metha-inĩ. Nĩndakirie matawa ma metha-inĩ. We nĩwakirie matawa ma metha-inĩ. Or it could be a question. We nĩwakirie matawa ma metha-inĩ. What about he or she? We nĩakirie matawa ma metha-inĩ. We nĩakirie matawa ma metha-inĩ. Our next verb is turn off, which is horia. I switched off the bedroom lights. I'll say nĩndahoririe matawa ma nyũmba ya toro. Nĩndahoririe matawa ma nyũmba ya toro. We nĩwahoririe matawa ma nyũmba ya toro. We nĩwahoririe matawa ma nyũmba ya toro. Jerry nĩahoririe matawa ma nyũmba ya toro. And by the way, you can say nyũmba ya gũkoma. Jerry nĩahoririe matawa ma nyũmba ya toro. Our next verb is take pictures, which we said is hora bisa. To say I took pictures of the tree, I'll say nĩndahũrire mũtĩ mbica. Nĩndahũrire mũtĩ mbica. We nĩwahũrire mũtĩ mbica. We nĩwahũrire mũtĩ mbica. We nĩahũrire mũtĩ mbica. We nĩahũrire mũtĩ mbica. And finally, refuse is rega, like we said. So to say I refused to go home, I'll say nĩndaregire kũinũka, or nĩndaregire gũthiĩ mũciĩ. Nĩndaregire kũinũka. We nĩwaregire kũinũka. We nĩwaregire kũinũka. Mwangi nĩaregire kũinũka. Mwangi ne aregire koinuka. And that is the end of our past tenses, guys. There were just 4 categories. I hope you've learned the difference. You can go back and look at the first category, which is a few moments ago. Kahinda kanini kahituku. The second one, which is tenewa umothe, earlier today. The third one, which is yesterday, ira. And now this was the final one for a long time ago, tene. I hope this video will be helpful to you. Make sure you share with someone who wants to learn Kikuyu language. Here is my email address in case of any feedback. And I hope to see you in the next lesson. Igwa wega!